So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back over to Seaworld Orlando. We haven't been to Seaworld in a decent amount of time. Last time we came for a little bit of the Christmas stuff. But the big reason we're here today is because I just saw, and actually as walking, we just saw this, icebreaker is officially testing. So we want to go over there. I want to check that out. I want to see it run. I want to go stand over by the track to watch it go by, get some cool shots of it, and all that stuff, because I really am excited about icebreaker. But also, since we're at SeaWorld, might ride some attractions. Might try to do Mako, Manta, even Kraken. I don't know. I see it going to be a really good day. The weather's perfect almost out, going in the low 70s. It's going to be a perfect day out here at SeaWorld. We also did decide to come a little bit later. Normally I like to be here pretty early in the day, but we're actually here about 12:30 right now. It's a little later, but crowd levels aren't that bad. It's really nice out. I mean, it's almost a picture perfect kind of day almost today too. So, but I think what I've always told people, and this is something I'm always big about, is that if you come in, don't go to the left, don't go towards Manta first when you first get here. Especially in the morning, because that's where everyone goes. If you want to head somewhere that's good, I'll have no wait, head down this way through the waterfront area, all the way down to Shark Wreck Reef into Mako. And Mako usually will have one of these shortest waits throughout the day. One, it's also a very quick loading attraction. So I'm going to also tell you guys the best thing about today is I have a wrist strap finally again. So I had originally ordered a wrist strap from Amazon, and it never showed up. It just got lost, but Amazon was really good. They refunded the money, they apologized, they gave me a credit for it. Just happens. And so I waited a while because I didn't really want to get one because I wasn't planning on coming to SeaWorld anytime. But since we were coming today, and we kind of planned it out, I went and got one. It's like 10 bucks on here. So that means when we go on Mako, Manta, and Kraken, hopefully, take you guys with us. So we went ahead and walked over the bridge because I was maybe hoping catching a glimpse of a test run. But it looks like they've stopped running right this minute. And you can see they have two trains. They have one train that has no water dummies in it, but then they have the one across the way that has the water dummies in it. So I was kind of hoping maybe they would do another test run, but this train, the one train by the station is only halfway out. So I'm not sure if they're about to move it out and maybe try to do another run, but hopefully they do, because I would love to see a quick run of this thing just from this vantage point, because it's going to be a very picturesque point, because you have the four launches where it starts you backwards, goes up, then up there, and goes into the back half with little air times and stuff. Oh, here it goes. Wow, that's actually a lot faster than I thought going backwards. Almost over the top hat. Wow, I think it's up there. And the last bit of traversing. Up and over. Wow. So we came over to the Wild Arctic area because I wanted to come over here because this is about as close as you get to the attraction as possible. I want to see if I can catch a test run coming through here. It seemed like there was a good 5-10 minutes between the last test run to the test run we just saw. So I'm kind of hoping to hang out just for a little bit, maybe see if I can see it running from this area, because this would be a really good shot of it going by. So waited about 15 minutes to finally see go by right there, and man, I'm gonna tell you right now, that thing close up looks absolutely insane and so much fun. Like, I cannot wait to get an opening date for that. Don't know when yet, no word on an opening date, but man, when that thing opens, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Well, now that I've let my theme park roller coaster nerd be a little happy watching Icebreaker, and I think we're gonna head over towards Mako, because Mako usually posts one of the lowest wait times in the park. Try to go jump onto Mako and then work around to the other rides as well. Try to check those out, see if there are any sort of long waits for those. Oh, walking right up, and as soon as we walk up, Mako goes over. So we're gonna quickly get a return time, as long as it's not like super short. Then let's put you guys into a locker, and for the first time in a long time, take you guys on the GoPro with me, because I have not had a wrist strap in a while, because I was supposed to have one and then never showed up, and I was just kind of like waiting to get a new one. Weird because the so like we got the disability pass thing here for Seaworld, and they usually tell you to go where the quick queue is to get a return time, so you can get so we don't have to don't have to wait in the line. But when we walked to Mako, there was no one there, so we stayed up there about 5-10 minutes, and then we just got in line, and then they just let it right on. So, but don't expect that every time. It seems like they kind of change it based on the day. Also, they're only running one train on Mako, so it was making it almost a 15-minute wait. So it's a little bit of a busier for Mako. I thought Mako would be a lot less than that, but guess not. It was kind of weird. So we were over here after Shower Creek Reef, and we came up onto one of the Seven Seas Food Festival. But they said that it only runs Friday, Saturday, Sunday through May 9th. But yet a lot of the booths are open. So I'm not sure if that just means that they're open all the time now, or like everything they do is here. But they also do have all the Mardi Gras stuff as well going on, but that also is supposed to happen on the weekend. So maybe they're running this during the week, and then they do a major amount of stuff on the weekend. So, because like here's an Italy booth. We passed by a few other booths earlier. They were also open, so not sure what the what is on it. So since it was open, we stopped and so Kayla got like a meatballs, like cheesy meatballs that are like in some sort of red sauce, which was like $8 for it. So not too bad actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and try a little bit of this. So got myself one of the meatballs. Kids already had a few pieces out of it, so. It's actually pretty good. So we decided on to come over here towards Manta and try to get a return time for it. Because this is like Kayla's favorite ride here is Manta. It's insane, crazy, but she loves it. So I think we're gonna go ahead and get a return time for it. It's actually about to go off right now, and it's about to go into the giant insanity that is the pretzel loop right here. Here it comes. So we came up to Manta to get a return time, but it's only posting a 10-minute wait, and again, there's no one out here. So I think what we're gonna do is, okay, let's go to the bathroom really quick, and I think then we're gonna put our stuff into a locker and then go over and just get in line for the quick queue. If they say anything about it, we'll just say there's no one out here to give us a return time for it. So, but the fact that Manta's only got a 10-minute wait and Mako had a 50, tell you which ride is either running them more efficiently, or it's just everyone's moved to Mako by now. So we are gonna go quickly put our stuff into a locker, and we're gonna go ahead and switch back to the GoPro, which again, I can actually take you guys on us with this. So put stuff away, go ride Manta. Off we go. got off Manta, which was insane. But we wanted to come in here because Kayla has never seen the aquarium in here, and she doesn't really, because she hasn't gone through the regular line before, so she's never seen this aquarium that's in here that's connected to the queue line. This has the pretty cool, like the gigantic, all this, yeah. But this is the one I like here, is this section right here where you can walk up. This little guy, she's hanging out right there.
The aquarium at Epcot too.
Okay. This is pretty cool. They're really all active today. You got all the manta rays are out, which is what Manta is designed after, these rays which kind of fly through the water. So the theming is top notch here for that. Look how close that one's getting. We got a couple of big stingrays in here as well. They're really active today. We'll say I was very happy to see Icebreaker running. Of course, after we left and while we were over by Mako, it ran numerous times in a row. So I was really kind of upset by that, but at least I got to see it run a little bit to show you guys what it looks like from that bridge and right next to Wild Arctic, where that gift shop is. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and call it a trip out to Seaworld. Like I said, it wasn't a very long trip, mostly because we were able to get on to Mako and Manta really quick, but the big thing is getting to see Icebreaker running and getting a good shot of it going by. Man, I can't wait to get an opening day for that. They're really starting to push it more and more in all the gift shops, so maybe we might see it. I don't see it opening probably until late March, early April at the earliest right now. Because it looks like they just started doing a lot of the testing on it, so they're probably gonna have to do about a month or two of testing before they can actually put anyone on the ride. Now, I kind of hope they do the same thing they did when they opened Tigris down at Busch Gardens and gave some soft openings and let the pass holders have front of the ride access. So, but I mean, overall, really kind of good day over here. Then it wasn't super busy at Manta, but Mako really busy, not sure. And got to try one of the booths for SeaWorld 7 Seas Food Festival. So, but with all that being said, we do head out from a really fun, quick trip out to SeaWorld. We'll see y'all next time.